So now today we are going to discuss about how to convert the angles, in the sense how to convert the degrees into radians and how to convert the radians into degrees, and how to convert the minutes into degrees or seconds into degrees or hours into degrees. So now let's go into the discussion. So traditionally 1 degree is further classified into 60 minutes. Please always remember this is the first and basic thing which we can remember. 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes, and so therefore I can say that 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. This is the basic conversion unit. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. If we remember this, we can change it. So for one thing you can always remember that the angle degrees is the basic measurement we think, but it's not the basic. Below the angle degree, there is a further classification, that is 60 minutes. And again, 1 minute is classified into 60 seconds. So we also know it actually. See here, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So now in the questions we might see 1 minute is represented as 1 power a dash. One single dash is representing the minutes, and 1 second is represented as 1 double slash. So always remember, in questions don't get confused. 1 single slash is 1 minute, 1 double slash is 1 second. So now with this clarity, let us go ahead. Always remember 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So with this clarity, we will go ahead. Now let us talk about degrees and radians conversion. So always remember one simple formula, that is 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. See, the degree is represented with power circle and radians is power c. Therefore 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. Very clear. So the two conversions are very clear. Now let us see some examples upon how to convert the angles. So let's have an example. Express, I am writing the question over here. Express 45 degree, 20 minutes, 10 seconds in degrees. Same thing, same question, we'll try to represent it in terms of radians also. So solution. So already 45 degree, 20 minutes, 10 seconds, we can write it as 45 degrees plus 20 minutes plus 10 seconds. So this is already in degrees. Now let's convert 20 minutes and 10 seconds in terms of degrees. We know one thing, that so always remember the first basic thing, that is 1 degree is further classified to 60 minutes. Therefore 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. Okay, and also one more thing, 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. I think I'm right. Yeah. Therefore 20 minutes is equal to 20 by 60 degrees, that is 1 by 3 degree. It should be very clear for you, right? Now let us talk about 10 seconds. 10 seconds is equal to 10 into 1 by 60 minutes, that is 1 by 6 minutes. But 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. So it's going to become 1 by 360 degrees. So now if you add the total thing, 45 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 360, this is the whole degrees. So this is going to become 1631 by 360 degrees. So 1631 by 360 degrees. Yeah, friends. So now the same degrees measurement we can convert into radians also. Please note down this. So once you have noted this, I am going ahead now. So what answer we got, that will convert it. Yeah, so we got the answer as 16321 by 360 degrees. So we need to convert this into radians. Okay, we know one thing, that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, but pi is nothing but 3.14 approximate. Therefore 180 degrees is equal to 3.14 radians. So 1 degree is equal to 3.14 by 180 radians. So let's substitute that over here. So 16321 divided by 360 into 1 degree. 1 degree is nothing but 3.14 by 180. This is the total number of radians. So if you simplify this, you will be getting the answer as 0.79 radians. So this is how we convert the degrees into radians or minutes into radians or seconds into radians. Anything we can convert it. So only the two things which we have to remember, that is 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That is the traditional conversion system, and we know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds and 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. We can remember this is easy because see, 180 degrees is also pi radians and 360 degrees is 2 pi radians, which is easier to remember. 180 degrees in pi radians is easier to remember. That's why I have used that classification. Now let's do one small problem so that you will get clarity upon that. Yes, so express 1.2 radians in degree measure. I think all of you can do it now. Express 1.2 radians in degree measure. So one thing, we know that again 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees. So 1.2 radians was given. 1 radian is nothing but 180 by pi. Pi value is 3.14 degrees. So the answer is going to become 68.72 degrees. Yeah, if we want to convert this into minutes, very simple. We can write this as 68 degrees plus 0.7272 degrees, and now this one you can convert into minutes. That is 68 degrees plus 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So if you convert it, you are going to get it as 68 degrees 43 minutes 37.8 seconds. So this is how we are going to get the answer if you want to convert it. Thank you, students. So very good. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and any queries please mail at spacetutorials@gmail.com. Thank you very much.